it do, Green Gang, man? We out here doing snow removal. You know, I got the blower on. I'm blowing all the soft snow. You know, it's easy. All the untouched snow, I'm just blowing it. It's about 2 in the morning. We're gonna be out here till like 10 in the morning, maybe 12. Been out here since like 1, 2, but yeah. All right, y'all, we just got done here, man. On to the next job. My battery keeps going dead because it's so cold, and I record with the iPhone. But yeah, look at all the snow, man. We getting it done. Let's go. All right, y'all, we just arrived to another location. We got our load right there. What you say, bro?
There ain't no need to get the machine out on this one, you don't think?
It depends. What you want to get the machine, bro?
Oh, I think he just wants to do a pass. I don't know. He might want to do it.
I'm down to just hit it with the shovel. I don't give a fuck. I mean, excuse my language, y'all. Yeah, Green Gang, we out here, man.
Get her money.
Yeah, Green Gang, man. We got the blowers. 700. That BR 700, it gets it done a little easier. Yes, sir.
Look at it, not moving. It's not moving.
Yeah, y'all, we just finished up here, man. We got it done. Y'all see it? We got
4 bags enough to do 2 banks in Lebanon?
the 2 banks in Lebanon.
Big bank?
4 bags?
Yeah, 4 bags.
Yeah, we can make it fresh. We can fresh that. Yeah, y'all, we about to leave. We in Wilmington right now. We about to go, man. We done. What it do, Green Gang, man? I'm having a little problem filming this video because my battery keeps going dead, man. But y'all know what it is. Grind don't stop, man. You know what I'm saying? Here at another bank. We got sunlight now. My boy Jeremy getting it ready. I'm bickering out here. I'm about to get to it, y'all. Yeah, Green Gang, I'm back, y'all. We had another bank, man, you know. We getting them done, y'all. About to go take care of these stairs real quick.
One hour later.
Hey, Green Gang, we out here at the subdivision now, y'all. It's over like 1,000 houses here. We do the driveways. We do the doorways. Walkways, whatever, you know. But yeah, we out here. We about to finish up. We about to be out. taking off, man. We done. We out.